Today we're in Westchester, PA, and I'm going to show you guys how professional work is supposed to be done. As you can see, there's an edge on this. The ceiling's up, and this is coming down. I'm gonna remove this tape that was real bad. I'm gonna repair this spot. And this is what goes into a serious repair. What I want to do after I clean the surface out by scraping all this stuff out is I'm going to prime in here and just prime it on up. Get it nice and juiced up. Let it dry. So when you go in there to start putting spackle in there, when you go in there and start putting spackle on there, it has something to bite to. So what we're going to do is we're going to repair this crack with paper tape in the corner. Take your paper tape and fold it in half, like so. Right down the middle. The first thing you want to do is load your mud up in there. See that? Some people come into your house and do only this. That'll be a quick fix. Before you know it, they're gone. They didn't put no tape up in there for you. Back on this side as well. Because as you've seen, I pulled the tape off. And we're gonna like this on each side. Alright, now I'll run that a little bit this way. Run that a little bit this way. You just want to stick it up in that corner. And like I said, a lot of guys wouldn't do this for you if your back's turned or you're at work. They want to get in, they want to get out. At DMP, you don't have to worry about that because we're not them type of people. We're going to charge you for what you want, and then we're going to give you what you want. Now, all you want to do is run it off that way. See that? I'm going to repair this joint properly. Now we're going to run it all the way across here. Come out. My customer didn't think. She said, "You're gouging my freedom. I just can't see how that's gonna help." And I've seen guys paint over stuff like this, and customers not aware, they don't see stuff. They're always trying to take the easy way out. One thing that I can guarantee is my work. I take a lot of pride in my work, a lot of pride. So when I do something for you, I'm going to do it to the best of my ability. I'll never say I'm the best or anything like that. I could just say I'm good at what I do, and I'll give you my very best efforts. We are licensed and assured. We're trained by professionals. Finishing Trades Institute in Philadelphia, PA, and OSHA 30 certified, as well as licensed and assured. So we come as correct as possible, and we will do a good job for you. After you're done a spackle on both sides of your 45-degree repaired angle, you want to put a fan on it and just let it dry.